Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about letter E to H. Let's see how to write letter E, F, G and H. In previous lesson, what did you do? Yes, you did letter A, B, C and D. Now let's start with letter E. See how to write letter E. We have to put standing line, one standing line first, and then three lines, three sleeping lines. Mama line, Papa line and baby line. Mama line, Papa line and baby line. Sleeping lines. This is letter E. Envelope. E. Egg. E. Elephant. E. Engine. E. Exercise. Yes. Engine. Number 9. Engine number 9. When it's ready, it will shine. Engine number 9. Then we will write on the Bombay line. Egg. Engine. Envelope. Now you have to practice writing letter E and draw pictures related to the letter E. Egg, envelope and engine. Next is letter F. You have to draw one standing line and two sleeping lines. In letter E, there are three lines: Papa line, Mama line and baby line. Here you have to draw Papa line and Mama line. Wow, this is letter F. F for fish. F for frog. F for flower. F for fish. Now let's draw the pictures related to letter F. See, beautiful flower and fish are ready. F for flower, F for fish. Now what is the next letter? G. Let's write G. G. Grapes. G. Glass. G. Got. G. Guitar. G. Grandma. G. Garden. Now let's draw pictures related to letter G. G. Grapes. Yummy grapes. Wow. And G. Grass. Green grass. Green grass. Yes. Now next letter is H. Let's write letter H. Standing line and one sleeping line. This is H. H. Hands. H. House. H. Hammer. H. Horse. H. Hanky. H. Hat. H. House. Beautiful house. Let's draw a beautiful house. H. House. Now see, this beautiful house is ready. Now you have to practice writing letter A to H. Thank you.